Here's a level 10 type question. We want to graph the polygon constraints. A factory produces toasters X and blenders Y. 9 times the number of toasters added to 7 times the number of blenders is at least 109. 9 toasters are at 9x. I'm going to turn off the lines and turn on drawing. 9x added to 7 times the number of blenders is at least 109. That means greater than or equal to 109. I want to get the y's all alone. Subtract the 9x from both sides. So 7y is greater than or equal to negative 9x plus 109. I'm going to divide everything by 7. We have y is greater than or equal to negative 9/7 x plus 109 divided by 7. 109 divided by 7 is 15.6. Let's graph that. 15.6. Here's my 15. Negative 9/7. The delta x is 7. Then we're going down 9. Greater than or equal to solid line, shading above. And it's really 15.6, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Let's go and figure out the next one. The number of toasters added to 2 times the number of blenders is at least 16. The number of toasters is x. X added to 2 times the number of blenders, 2y, is at least 16. Is greater than or equal to 16. I want to get the y's all alone, so I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So we have 2y is greater than or equal to negative x plus 16. Then I want to get rid of the 2, so I'm going to divide every term by 2. So we have y is greater than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 8. Here's my 8. And the slope is negative 1/2. I'm moving over 2 and down 1. Greater than or equal to, I'm going to be shading above. 5 times the number of toasters added to the number of blenders, so that's 5x, added to the number of blenders does not exceed 80, less than or equal to 80. Then I want to get the y alone, so subtract the 5x, so y is less than or equal to negative 5x plus 80. I could go all the way up here to 80, or I could say 5 times 16 is 80. When x is 16, we get negative 80 plus 80 is 0. I could graph that. X is 16. It's going to cross like that. And the slope is negative 5, so that means 1 over, and 5 down. It is less than or equal to, so I'm shading below. Arrow up here. Here, let's just go and have a look to see if it does cross at 80. There it is. So our b value is 80. Next line. 3 times the number of toasters added to 2 times the number of blenders. 3 times the number of toasters added to 2 times the number of blenders is lower than 69. Is less than 69. I want to get the y's alone, so I'm just going to subtract 3x from both sides. We have 2y is less than negative 3x plus 69. Divide all the terms by 2 to get the y all alone. So y is less than negative 3 over 2x plus 69 over 2. 69 divided by 2 should be 34.5. We can just go to the 34 right there. And the slope is negative 3 over 2, so I'm going to move over 2 and down 3. So over 2, down 1, 2, 3. With the command button down, I'm going to go up to from 34 to 34.5, so that's up 10 little. I have to hit the arrow 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 34.5, and we are less than, so it's going to be a dotted line, and we will be shading below. So grab that arrow and bring it down here. 4 times the number of blenders is less than 57 more than 3 times the number of toasters. That's 4y is less than 57 more than what? Put the what first. 3 times the number of toasters. 3x plus 57. I want to get rid of that 4, so I'm going to divide everything by 4. Y is less than 3 over 4x plus 57 over 4. 14.25. 57 divided by 4. 14.25 plus 14.25. And my slope is 3/4. I'm going to move over 4 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. It is a dotted line, and we will be shading below. But it's really 14.25. I'm just going to grab that line, jig a little bit, and then move it up 14.25. Each time I press the arrow once, it's moving up by 0.05. Moving up 2, 1, 2, that's 1, 2, 5. Okay, that's 14.25 right there. Let's move the whole thing. Our polygon of constraints. Go to the polygon, turn the snapping off. There's my A point, B point, C point, D point, E point. That should be close enough. I'm going to press enter. Yay. And that's it for level 10. Have a good day.